Start with the name of Almighty Allah. Welcome to the Graceful Grammar Higher Secondary School. School has started digital online classes. We will explain you the home task which school has provided you. First of all, let me clear one thing, that the last date of submission of this English task is 1st July 2020. This is your Cambridge Global English coursebook for level 8. CD is also available for your assistance at the backside of the book. Unit 1, Languages of the World. Task 1, make a title page of first semester in your notebook. Make a title page of Unit 1 Languages of the World and read book page no 8. Dear student, write your full name, class, section and subject on the title page of your notebook. After that, give your introduction inside the notebook. Skip index pages. And after that, make a title page of first semester, then make title page of Unit 1, Languages of the World, like this. Dear student, open your book page no 8 and read this page very carefully. Actually, in this page some students of different countries are talking about their native languages and other languages they can speak fluently. Dear students, read it, you'll enjoy, and after reading you'll be able to do exercise related to this topic. Dear student, you have read these difficult words. Page no 8, language, determiner, conjunction, bilingual, fluent, native, extinct. A bit difficulties. Now you have to find the meanings of these words from your Oxford Dictionary and write in your notebook. Dear students, let's move towards exercise number 2 as shown in picture. In this exercise you have to find words which can be replaced these words or phrases. In other words, we can say you have to find synonyms of these words or phrases from text you have already read. For example, we can use a bit and instead of a little. We can replace second number with word native. And so on. You can do easily. Dear student, let's step forward towards task number 2. Read use of English on page number 9 from book. After reading and understanding, solve exercise number 4 on book. Today you are going to learn about determiners. In English grammar, a determiner is a word or group of word that specifies, identifies, or quantifies the noun or noun phrases that follows it. It is also known as a prenominal modifier. Basically, determiners come at the start of a noun phrase and tell more about what comes after it, or them, in the case of a phrase that has more than one determiner before the noun. We'll learn about 2 types: distributes and quantifiers. Like every, each, all, etc. You read this passage and solve exercise number 4, step by step. You are doing great job. Let's move towards task number 3. Read book page number 10. Teach yourself tak Python. After reading carefully, solve exercise number 2 and 3, book page number 11 in your book. Dear student, on page number 10 you will read about a country, its population, its languages, native and official, and which language they use for education. Hopefully you'll enjoy reading about Papua. After reading page number 10, it's quite easy for you to solve this exercise number 2 on book page number 11. Now let's check your understanding level, how much you have understood the text of page number 10. So for this you have to write answers of these questions in your notebook, which are shown in this picture. Exercise number 3, page number 11. Step by step. You are doing great job. Let's move towards task number 4. Read use of English, although, while, whereas. After reading carefully about these conjunction, solve exercise number 4, book page number 11 in your notebook. Dear student, let's learn something about grammar. In this task we'll learn about conjunctions. Conjunctions are used to join clauses, phrases, and words together for constructing sentences. Conjunctions make a link between or among words or groups of words to other parts of the sentence and show a relationship between or among them. In this page you'll read about although, while, whereas, etc. After reading this comprehensively, I am sure you can do exercise number 4 easily. Step by step. You are doing great job. Let's move towards task number 5. Use CD for listening number 3, book page number 12. Listen audio 3 carefully twice, and after listening do exercise number 1, 2, 3 and 4, book page number 12 and 13. Dear students, in task 5 you have to listen given voice clip very carefully twice or thrice, and after listening you'll be able to do exercise number 1, 2, 3 and 4 on book page number 12 and 13. Let me explain. In exercise 1 you'll listen short interviews about knowing language and they'll focus on different things. You have to match persons with their focus on things. Got it? In exercise 2 there's again matching. Match words with correct definitions after listening carefully. And in exercise 3, listen again and shortly under these questions on book. And exercise 4 is self-help. You'll definitely enjoy while you do exercise 4. Dear students, task 6 is about self-writing task. After reading this unit, you can write an essay on advantages of learning other languages, 150 to 200 words in your notebook. This is your Roald Dahl novel Boy Tales of Childhood. Read your novel book page number 1 till 45. Write at least 40 difficult words on A4 paper and write meaning of these difficult words by the help of Oxford Dictionary and paste A4 paper in your novel book.